This 5-minute solution will show you how to add payment method on Facebook. In order to add payment method on Facebook, you have to open Facebook Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com. And here click on this drop down and select your business account. And now click on All Tools and click on Billing and Payments. And here select Payment Methods. And here you will get this option, Add Business Payment Method. So click on Add. And here select your country and your currency. Now, if you want to add online banking payment method, then select this option. Or if you want to add debit or credit card as payment method, then select this first option and click on Next. Add here your card information and click on Save. And here we can see my payment method has been successfully added to Facebook. This is how we can do it. And the same way you can click on Add to add multiple payment method to your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.